You got shoes on? Huh? You want to leave them on? You gonna leave your shoes on for a minute? You untied them. Oh, yeah. Good job. You're walking with your shoes on? Shoes? Shoes! I got shoes on. Walk around this way. Come on. Yeah, I know. I see you got one untied already. What are you doing? Shoes? Shoes? Shoes. You got some little shoes on? Huh? Yeah. There you go. There's my big girl. There's my big girl. Yeah, good job. Boom. You like your shoes? No. You're not throwing a fit about them. Got one untied still, but that's okay. Try and get them off. Huh? Yeah? Yeah? I see your little shoes. Where's your shoes? Shoes? Yeah, they're cute. What you got? What you got? Yeah. You got them both untied. Oh, that looks hard on the ankles. There you go. I'm going to have to take them off or tie them one. Yeah. Good job.